Good day everyone and welcome to my channel once again. Okay, today this is our first class and we'll be talking about the blood. Like I said earlier, we'll start from our basic anatomy. So let's know what the blood is all about. So the blood here is a connective tissue. It's a fluid connective tissue. So why is it a connective tissue? Because it connects around the body, it goes around the body, it flows in every single part of the body. So now we need to know why it is a tissue. We know in our normal biology, we know what a tissue is. So a tissue is coming together of cells. So clusters of cells form a tissue. So that's why the blood here is collections of cells that forms this blood, which is a tissue. So now after that, let's know that we need to know that the blood has about 55% of plasma and also 45% of the red blood cells, and 45% of cells, of blood cells particularly, as I'm talking about. So now these cells are suspended in this plasma as well, that where we have the white blood cells, the red blood cells, and the platelets. So these are the cells I'm talking about that are suspended in this plasma. So now the plasma itself contains about 90% of water. So and the remaining 10% of the plasma contains other components, which are we have the hormones, we have the plasma protein. The plasma protein I'm talking about the albumin, the fibrinogen, the globurins. These are the plasma proteins I'm talking about. Then apart from that, we have the plasma contains waste products. The plasma also contains other components. Also, like in the waste products, we have the urea, the uric acid, and so forth. The plasma also contains nutrients as well in the plasma. So now let's go further to get to know the components or the properties. You can say the properties of the blood. Now let's know the color of the blood. The blood is brighter red in the arteries. Why is it brighter red in the arteries? Because of the presence of the oxygen, and it is purplish red in veins. Why is it purplish red in veins? It's because of the presence of the carbon dioxide. So in a normal human being, the blood is about 5 liters and the pH of the blood is about 7.45 pH, which is about slightly alkalinic. And also we are talking about the blood cells. So let's know about the blood cells. I previously I mentioned about some of the blood cells. So here we have the red blood cells. The red blood cells, they are also known as the erythrocytes. They are also called the erythrocyte. We have the white blood cells. They are also known as the leukocytes. We have the platelets. They are also known as the what? Thrombocytes. So in our subsequent classes, we will also go deeper to know more about each cells. We'll go deeper to know about the red blood cells. The red blood cell, what it does, they help to transport oxygen from the body. They help to transfer carbon dioxide as well out of the body and oxygen to the cells as well. So we have the white blood cell. The white blood cell, they serve as immunity. They help to destroy foreign invaders that want to invade into the body. So we have the platelet, which is a thrombocyte. The platelet here works as a healing process. Whenever there's a damage in the vesicle, or whenever there is a wound, you have a wound, so the platelets help to heal that wound. So when we go deeper in each contents, we'll know what those cells are talking about. So let's talk about the function. First function here, we say the function of a blood here helps in transport. It helps to transport materials, hormones, other components from the body to where they are needed. Hormones from the glands where they are produced to where they are needed in the body. Waste products to the to the kidney, from the kidney to where they are excreted, and other things as well. So now, apart from transport, it also helps in body defense. When I'm talking about body defense, I talk about the immunity, like the white blood cells. The white blood cells here, they help to fight against foreign invaders. They help to kill any foreign bacteria or any organism that comes to destroy the body immunity. The white blood cell does that. So that's why we say the blood serves as a body defense as well. Now the platelet as well also does its own work too. So apart from that, the blood helps to regulate acid-base balance, and also it helps to regulate our water. It helps to regulate water balance in the body as well. So at least with these few points, at least if you can know these key important points, at least you've known a little much about the blood. It's not a difficult task. It's something very easy that you can understand. Thank you.